In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zendesk reports, your complete guide for 2025. Let's dive right into the process, which is both straightforward and effective for making data-driven decisions through Zendesk. To get started, you'll want to make your way over to Zendesk. Open up your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type zendesk.com. Once you're at the Zendesk homepage, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, type in your registered email address and your password. It's essential to ensure these are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After that, click on the Sign In button, and just like that, you're into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, take a look at the dashboard. You should see a square icon somewhere on the interface. This is your next click. Selecting this icon leads you toward the Zendesk Explore feature, which is where all your reporting needs are met. Click on Explore and you'll be taken to a new section of Zendesk dedicated to reporting and analytics. In the Explore area, keep an eye out for the report icon. Clicking this will bring you to the main working space where we will create our report from scratch. There you'll find an option labeled New Report. Give that a click. Here's where the fun begins. You will now see different types of reports you can create, such as in-depth customer support insights, sales analytics, and more. Depending on your goal, select the type of report you want to develop. For the sake of this guide, let's say you choose support. This will focus on support tickets, an essential element in customer service operations. Following your selection, it's time to click on Support Tickets. This predefined template is a great starting point because it already contains fundamental metrics. With that, locate the Start Report button. Clicking this will set the stage for customizing your report. At this point, you have the freedom to edit metrics. Consider aspects like ticket volume over time, customer issues per department, or first response times, which can be crucial for service improvement. By tailoring the metrics, you ensure the report aligns with your specific objectives, providing insights directly relevant to your team's needs. Then, go ahead and finalize your report. Explore offers a variety of options to save, share, and even automate future reports based on this template. This allows you to keep the entire team informed and up to date without needing to manually create new reports every time. And there you have it, the full journey of creating a Zendesk report, explained step by step. This powerful tool can make a significant impact on understanding your customer service data, which in turn helps improve your operations and ultimately customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.